Michigan. This is Bailey Bear and today we are going to be showing you about pollinating plants and what a pollinator is. A pollinator are animals including bees, butterflies, moths that have flies, beetles, and birds that fertilize plants by moving pollen from flower to flower. Pollinators are also important for humans. They fertilize food, crops like apples, almonds, blueberries, tomatoes, and many others. One in every 3 bites we eat is made possibly by pollinators. Miss Catherine. She will be showing us around this pollinator garden. What is this plant?
This particular plant is in the Monarda family. This one is called Monarda punctata. The common name is horse mint. It's going to grow up. This will get to be about a foot tall. And it gets you can see that it's kind of got a silvery tint to its leaves. And it has this doesn't have your typical flower. This has what's called bracts. And you see this thing on the end? That is actually the flower.